How to build passive income with ChatGPT AI. Passive income, the dream of every entrepreneur. But how do you make that dream a reality? Well, look no further than ChatGPT AI, the revolutionary platform that promises to make your dreams of passive income come true. And in this video, I'm going to take you on a journey to discover how you can leverage the power of ChatGPT to create digital products and list them on Etsy to generate passive income. Did you know that in 2021, Etsy had over 4.4 million active sellers, and over 90% of them were small businesses? That's right, Etsy is a thriving platform that can help make you money whilst you sleep. And with the help of ChatGPT, you can speed up the process of finding winning products and designing professional-looking digital products that will stand out from the competition. Now, you might be wondering, what is ChatGPT and why should I care? Well, let me tell you. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model that has been trained on a massive amount of text data to generate human-like responses to text input. In other words, ChatGPT can help you generate creative and compelling ideas for your digital products that will resonate with your target audience. Are you ready to take the plunge and discover how you too can leverage the power of ChatGPT to build a passive income stream? Then stick around, because in the following sections we'll cover everything that you need to know, including how to find winning products, design professional-looking digital products, and then list them on Etsy to generate passive income. When it comes to building a successful Etsy shop, research is key. You need to know what products are in demand, what your target audience is looking for, and most importantly, how to stand out from the competition. And that's where my research techniques come in. Did you know that the average Etsy seller makes around $10,000 a year? That's not too shabby for a passive income stream. But if you want to make more than that, you need to know how to find the right products to sell. Now, I know what you're thinking, but how do I find winning products that will actually sell? Well, fear not, my friend, because I've got a foolproof, no-cost solution for you right here on Etsy. First things first, before we dive into the research, let's figure out what we want to create. I mean, you don't want to go around aimlessly searching for ideas, right? So I've turned to my trusty ChatGPT AI for some suggestions, and let me tell you, this AI is a real gem. It's given me some fantastic ideas to work with. Now, as someone who's been in the Etsy game for a while, I can tell you that budget trackers are always a hit. But I thought to myself, why not shake things up a bit and go for a printable budget planner instead? I mean, who doesn't love to track their budget? But hold your horses, we can't stop there. We need to niche it down even further to really make it a hit. And guess who came to the rescue again? You got it, ChatGPT. I asked for some potential niches and target audiences, and voila! I had a goldmine of ideas to choose from. Let me tell you, finding the right niche and target audience is like finding the perfect pair of shoes. It's a game changer. It can be the difference between a product that sits in your shop collecting dust and a product that sells like hotcakes. And who doesn't love hotcakes? So what's my point? With ChatGPT and the search bar on Etsy, you can find winning product ideas without breaking the bank. It's like having a personal shopper and a market researcher all rolled into one. And speaking of personal shoppers, let me give you another example of a potential goldmine niche: personalized pet products. For example, our product could be from the Paycheck Budget Planner. Budget planners are not only in high demand, but can also help people improve their financial situation, which is a win-win situation. So, let's dive into how we can create this winning budget planner product using ChatGPT and Etsy research techniques. To get started, we need to choose a specific audience to target. Let's say we want to target housewives who want to manage their finances better. Now, we're going to dive into the magical world of Etsy and use its search bar to find winning product ideas. So let's type in some keywords like Paycheck Budget Planner and see what pops up. Look at all those results. But don't get overwhelmed, because we're just getting started. Take some time to sift through different listings and see what catches your eye. And don't just look at the designs, take note of the keywords, phrases, and overall style that seem to be working well. But we're not done yet. Analyzing the competition is just as important as creating the product itself. So let's keep going. Let's say we found a budget planner that looks promising. The first thing we'd need to do is check the number of reviews it has and how often it gets new reviews. If a product consistently gets new reviews, it's a sign that it's selling well. For example, if a product has a ton of recent reviews and multiple reviews on the same day, it's probably selling like hotcakes. So we decided to create something similar to this product, but we're not just going to copy it. Oh no. Next, we need to analyze the product and see what makes it so successful. We're going to take a closer look at how many pages it has, what styles they've used, and most importantly, what people like and don't like about it. For instance, if we see a review that says, "I couldn't download it on my iPad," that's a red flag that we should make our design iPad friendly. So, read as many reviews as you can, gather all the information you need to create a product that has already been proven to work. Understanding what people like will help you create something that stands out and attracts more customers, while understanding what people don't like will help you improve your product and make it even better. So we've found ourselves a potential winning product and we've analysed the competition. Now it's time to get creative and start designing our own budget planner using the amazing tools of ChatGPT and Canva. Get excited because this is where the fun begins. After some careful consideration, I've decided to create a one-page paycheck budget tracker with 2 other pages to sell as a bundle. And to make things even more exciting, we're offering these in different sizes: letter, A4 and A5, and a variety of colours. It's like a rainbow of budget planning goodness. Now you may be thinking, how do I even begin to design this? Well, don't worry my friend, I've got you covered. Here's a tip. Try typing out the design and layout you want into ChatGPT and let the magic happen. After a few attempts and some chats with our trusty chatbot, you'll have a detailed layout to work with. It's like having your own personal design assistant, but don't feel like you have to copy the design exactly. Use it as a starting point to save time and make it your own. Head over to canva.com to start playing around with different templates, colors, fonts, and elements. This is where you can really let your creativity shine and design something that's uniquely you. Now, let's talk about creating the listing images for Etsy. This is where the real fun begins. Spend some time designing your templates on Canva and then watch as the listing images practically create themselves in just a few minutes. It's like magic. Make sure to take some high quality images of your finished product and create a listing that showcases your templates in the best possible light. A catchy title and a detailed description highlighting the unique features of your product are key to making a great first impression on potential customers. So you've designed your beautiful budget planner templates and created your listing images, and now it's time to list them on Etsy and start earning some sweet passive income. But before you do that, let's walk through the listing process step by step. First things first, opening an Etsy shop is free, but listing a product will cost you 20 cents, so make sure you're ready to commit to this entrepreneurial adventure before you take the plunge. Once you click Open a Shop Today, you'll be prompted to fill in some store and personal details. Pro tip, Etsy requires you to list one product to open your shop, but it can be anything you like, so don't stress about it too much. Once you're in your dashboard, it's time to get down to business. Start by editing your shop profile and adding a photo, banner, and a picture of yourself as the shop owner. This will help you build trust with potential customers, and you can use Canva's Etsy templates to make your shop look amazing. Next, click on Listings and then Add a Listing. Upload your gorgeous listing images from Canva and get ready to write your product title. Remember, this is a key opportunity to include keywords that will help people find your product. Choose the right product category, set the renewal option to automatic, and make sure to set the product type to digital. Now it's time to get into the nitty-gritty of your product details. Use ChatGPT to help you write a compelling description that outlines what your product includes, its unique features and benefits, and how to use it. Don't forget to add relevant tags and set your price and quantity. And finally, upload your product. When you're happy with everything, hit publish and voila! Your product is live on Etsy. Congratulations, you've just learned how to create passive income using ChatGPT and Etsy. As you can see, the process is straightforward and anyone can do it with a little bit of creativity and some help from ChatGPT. You don't need any prior experience or technical knowledge, and the best part is that you can create and sell digital products from anywhere in the world and at any time without having to worry about shipping or handling inventory. So, what are you waiting for? Pick a niche, use ChatGPT to research and create your product, design it on Canva and list it on Etsy. And don't forget to keep creating new products consistently to increase your chances of success. Building a passive income stream takes time, effort and patience, but it's totally worth it in the end. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Love to hear your thoughts. Cheers.